Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to Englu's another episode. Hope you all are fine. May I ask a question today? Is nothing but how your English learning is going on now. How is your English learning? Is it nice? Hope it is nice. You are getting better. You are getting better. I hope so, and wish you all the very best for the same. Today, we are going to discuss nothing but the pronunciation of a single word. But it is something different. It's a common word. Commonly, we use it in our day-to-day life, especially in this social media era. Can you imagine? What is it? It's nothing but like, share, then what next? Yeah, very good. COMMENT. COMMENT. What is it? Most of us mispronounce it as comment. Comment. It's not comment. This is comment. Comment. As concept and content. We have discussed it already in our classes. This also comment. Comment. It's not comment. Comment. Then like, share, comment. Okay. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.